As you can see, been really busy in the brew shed lately. Painted the walls with some like mold resistant sealant stuff. It's classed as a primer sealant. Got that from Screwfix. Obviously painted the floor with Ronseal floor paint, and the reason for doing that is mainly it keeps all the dust trapped, gets rid of the dust. I can now mop the floor. It's relatively waterproof as well, so it just keeps the brewery that bit cleaner. Obviously the walls, because of the mold and the moisture in here, so I've had to make sure there's more airflow in here to get rid of any condensation, which there's still a bit, but it's only a millimetre thin tin roof at the end of the day. As you can see, I've knocked that out there and that one up there. So in terms of other changes, as you can see, we've now banished the tumble dryer out into the other shed. The next video, I'm going to be building a fermentation chamber. Now, it's not going to be a cold fermentation chamber, only with a heater in it, because it's cold in here for 9 months of the year. It very rarely gets over 20 degrees unless we're in the height of summer, and in that case I just won't use it, or I'll use it for saisons or whatever. Something else we've done as well is replaced the fan for the extractor. You can probably hear it. It's a lot more oomph in it. By doing that and leaving the heater on, I can actually brew with the door shut. Don't ask me why, but it kind of helps with the fog. That's about it. It's been a labour of love to move everything out the way, clean all the walls, clean all the floors and paint everything. Something that I need to get hold of, which is proving quite difficult, which maybe somebody can point me in the right direction actually, that'd be very helpful, is a work surface covering. Now imagine like a windowsill cover, you know, the PVC covers, one of them for what you're sat on now. That's what I'd like over this. Something to come down with a lip on it and go all the way to the back so I can run some sealant around. Everywhere I've looked so far, they're not deep enough and just stupidly expensive. I just need that for it to be a little bit cleaner. More Breaking Bad like. So yeah, that's about it really in terms of changes in here. I think it looks much better. Don't forget to subscribe for the next video when I'm going to be building this fermentation chamber on the cheap, obviously. And yeah, please like, comment, and I've already asked you to subscribe. Iechyd.